Guys, how are you today? I have this pickup truck with an engine and also um it just has one door and like this is like the gas storage. I put water in it and also like um like the front looks like this, but look how good it is in the front. And also I put some modifications in, and also I put a pulley thing in the back with the same license plate and bright orange box as the lights and sirens in this back trunk, and and these lights as kind of like they glow and stuff, backlights and blinker lights, and I don't have blinker lights on the front, but well, I hope you like it.